What is up, guys? We're going to be doing some bass fishing today. Again, we're going to go to one spot, not really a pond hopping video, it's just going to be one pond. I might come back down if it's like really quick. I might come down to another spot just further south of me. But right now, we're going to head up. I'm probably going to be throwing around the jerkbait, the jig, maybe the swim bait around for a little bit. The spot's not that good, but we're just, going to kill some time right now. And I just kind of wanted to give a huge shout out to all the veterans out there for serving our country and allowing us to, fish this country. Again, thank you to all the veterans on this beautiful Veterans Day. We're going to do some fishing, so stay tuned.
Jocking the beat, jocking the beat. Down the street, my 6'4". Jocking the beat, jocking the beat. Down the street, my well, I'm down the street, my cannon painted low. Laughing like a throw of balls on my 6'4". I pull up wood, gripping balls, tipping sitting low. I'm hitting 16 switches, watch it stop and hit the flow. I'm leaning on the girls, the serve, blowing throw. The girls show me love when they panties hit the flow. I said I'm leaning on the girls, the serve, blowing throw. I got the 6'4", hopping, watch it stop and do a show. First I lean with it, then I rock with it. I got a candy apple drop with a Glock in it. First I lean with it, then I rock with it. I got a candy apple drop with a Glock in it. First I lean, then I rock. First I lean.
Alright guys, so we just made it down to the spot. I'm probably going to throw on the jerkbait because I've caught a few decent jerkbait fish out of here. I'm looking for one fish. It's Veterans Day, so the pressure's really high out here, but we're going to give it a wing. So stay tuned, guys.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh god. Yes. Came off. Yes sir, boys. Oh, that thing knocked the rod out of my freaking hands. Oh, that's gnarly.
Alright guys, so there's a nice fish. Chunky fish on the jerkbait. Ripped the rod out of my freaking hands. I was doing like this and the thing crushed it. That was so sweet, but man, that's a really nice fish right there. There's a nice one right there. Really pretty fish. Giving the light. Absolutely gorgeous fish. So we're gonna get him back in the water right now. That's what I'm freaking talking about. Ripped the rod out of my hands. Really nice fish, probably a pound 3/4, something like that. But nice fish to, just on a quick, short day. You never know what you can do on these pressured ponds out here. Just throw in the right baits that they haven't really seen before, or just using the right tactic for the time of year, it can really get you fish. So I'm gonna keep throwing around the jerkbait. I was in my head, I'm like, man, I might just have to switch to a jig, and then bam, that fish crushed it. So I'm gonna keep going around with the jerkbait.
YouTube channel or something?
Yeah, I make YouTube videos and stuff like that.
What's your channel's name?
Crazy Bass Fisher.
Crazy Bass. Do you know who Black Tip Bacon stuff, John B?
Yeah.
Like that? Yeah. Wait, did you say Crazy Bass Fisher?
Yeah, just Crazy Bass Fisher.
Do you fish in AZ a lot or around?
It's mostly AZ. I did do like a little video when I was in California, but that was like for the saltwater stuff. But yeah, it's mostly just here. I fish the lakes, I fish the urban ponds whenever I get the chance. I hate Pleasant. That's probably one of the lakes I really hate, dude. That place is really hard to fish. The only reason why I really go there is to fish for the stripers, because that's
That's so fun. I've caught some really nice catfish and carp out of there. Yeah, the stripers are so much fun. Oh no, get off of that tree.
What's your PD?
God.
On bass.
8.76
Where at?
Canyon Lake last year. My biggest out of here is 7.
This one?
No, the top pond. That was last spring. Oh God, come on, just hop over that. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Right off. Oh no, oh no. She's really. Oh no. Well. Oh, thank God. Oh God. You know, perfecting that backhand. Double digit. And I'm ready to do that. Oh boy. Okay, not the right size, but well. Oh God. Alright, so here's the little guy that I just caught. So tiny, but he's smoked. He's chunky. They're not a bad little fish. I'm gonna get him right back here in the water. Here he goes. So that little guy just freaking smoked it out here in the middle. I was kind of giving it a 1-2, 1-2, 1, and then he hit it, and then I was gonna jerk it again. I'm like, that's a fish on there. Not bad. 2 fish right now for a couple hours of fishing. So I'm gonna keep going around. This colder water, I guess, is pretty perfect for a good jerkbait bite. So let's see if we can upsize the fish right now. So.
What do you, what kind of bait is that?
Just a rip bait, a little jerkbait. It just kind of rips in the water.
What are you filming?
For my YouTube channel.
What's your YouTube channel?
Crazy Bass Fisher.
You have a lot of subscribers?
Not as much as John, but I got like 5,000.
How did you start?
How did I start? I just started making videos like 6-7 years ago, and so I've been doing YouTube for like as long as John has, but I kind of quit after a while. And then we just used to pond hop around, wear these dumb things on our heads, and film every time we went out. Oh really? Oh God! No! My God, are you serious? Get that thing back, dude! Holy crap, that was gnarly. Oh baby, yes, yes, yes. Alright guys, so I'm gonna switch over to the jig with the little light I have left. I'm pretty content with catching those 2 fish on the jerkbait, so I'm gonna throw around the jig, see if I can't get one on the bottom. The water's a little bit stained in some of the ponds, so let me see maybe if a jig on the bottom will get them. The water's pretty cold, so I'm thinking they might be hugging the bottom, so let's throw on the jig. Alright guys, I'm going to end off the day. It's getting dark. It wasn't a bad afternoon of fishing. I caught those 2 decent fish on the jerkbait out of a really pressured pond. They're really small, and they get hit like every single day by fishermen. So it was pretty good to get a fish. I'm pretty psyched about that. So thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, chase your dreams.
Then I rock. I said first I lean with it, then I rock.